So today what I'm going to show you is a really easy recipe. All you need is tofu. And we really enjoy this with an array of foods. I make this with our Asian meals, and now I'm making it with a curry meal. And I'm going to walk you through the ingredients. It's a baked tofu. And you know how when you see the fried tofu and it looks all crispy? Well, I'm going to show you that you can get the same thing by baking it. And so what you do, and I use this tofu here, and I get it at Costco, and it comes in a pack of 4. And that lasts me for about 2 weeks because the kids just love this. And you can see I chopped it up into little cubes, and they shrink. And so I'm going to show you how I cut it. I just cut it like this. And then I turn it, and I do the same thing. Now when I'm doing my Asian, I will marinate it in any kind of Asian sauce. And I really like the teriyaki sauce. And it just gives it this extra flair. And maybe I'll do a video of that later on. Let me know in the comments if you guys want me to do that. And I've just cut this little guy too. But we do this about once or twice a week. It's so easy. And then what I'm going to do is I just take a regular lined baking sheet, and I'm just going to lay these little cubes out on here, you know, like so. So I'll come back when I'm done. Okay, so they're on my tray, and we're going to bake them. But before I bake them, I want to tell you guys why I didn't drain the water from the tofu. When I bake them just plain, they actually taste a lot better without draining the water. If I'm going to marinate them in any kind of sauce, either the Gregor curry sauce or McDougal sauce or any kind of sauce, then I will drain them for about 20 minutes. And how do I do that? I put them in a dish, I put a bowl on top, and I put something heavy on top of it, either some bananas or this baking dish or a bowl, you know, anything, for 20 minutes, and that's it. And then I marinate it in whatever I'm going to bake it in. Okay, so now I'm going to put them in the oven, a preheated 400-degree oven, for about 35 to 40 minutes. Okay, so it's been 40 minutes, and we are going to take it out of the oven. And this is what it will look like when you take it out. And they'll be kind of soft, and you can, if you want them crispier, you can definitely leave them in there for another 10 or 15 minutes. But we like them this temperature, this crispiness. So I'm going to let them cool for about 15 minutes, and then I'll show you how we're going to eat them tonight. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how we're going to eat this meal with the little tofu bites, baked tofu bites. And so I'll put some, this is basmati rice on the bottom. Then I'm going to come over here, and I've got the tofu bites. And I'm just going to sprinkle them on the bottom here, like that. And then I've got Dr. Gregor's cheesy deliciousness here. And as you can see, I've doubled the recipe. And I'm just going to put it on top. Now, my kids don't want this touching this. So that's why I have it separated. Okay? So, enjoy!